Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Pepe update today. So Pepe right now is still coming down and we're still not doing an amazing job with the coin itself. So is Pepe ready to make bigger corrections, or what is going to happen with it? Now, unfortunately, we're starting to lose the 10 EMA, right? So slowly, we're starting to make some small bad movement. So this is the Pepe moving towards the 20, in my opinion, which is going to be down at 13,577. So we might actually see a touch to this 55 EMA. We see this one maybe coming up to a cross. So as long as you're going to maintain above the 50, the 20 EMA, that's going to be okay. Now, if you end up losing this both, the 10 and the 20, then the biggest correction you're going to have is down to the 55, the blue line, which is going to be 10,754, and that's something I should tell you, and it's going to be very important. Or even worse is that the next big massive support for Pepe is going to be actually right over here at 11,331. So if you're ever going to have a big huge correction down, I just want to get you prepared for that technical target, and that could be another buying opportunity for Pepe, because last time you went up to nearly 17,000, and then coming down to 11,000 is going to be like a 60% discount. So now let's get back into the 4-hour time frame and check out what is exactly going on in here. So yes, you can see that you're also now coming under the 55. Like the 4-hour time frame is trying to make a little bit of a bear cross in here. So let's see where this goes, and hopefully I do believe that if Pepe tries to come and push back up here, which is going to break a price of 15,700, that's going to be very good. So if you start to come up and push above and retest here, you have very good chances of starting to make another wave to the upside. So that's all for this quick update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.